Question number 20. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red and black? So total number of balls, total number of balls is equal to 3 red plus 5 black. 3 plus 5, 8 balls. Total number of balls, 8. 8 balls. First rate. So favorable outcomes for red ball. Red ball is equal to how many red balls? 3. So therefore probability of getting red ball is equal to total number of balls 8, red balls 3, 3 upon 8. Second, black, probability of black ball. So favorable outcomes for black ball. How many black balls? 5. Therefore probability of getting black ball is equal to total number of balls 8 and black balls 5. 5 upon 8 is the probability. In a class there are 18 girls and 16 boys. The class teacher wants to choose one pupil for class monitor. What she does, she writes the name of each pupil on a card and puts them into a basket and mixed thoroughly. A child is asked to pick one card from the basket. What is the probability that the name written on the card is the name of a girl, the name of a boy? In a class there are 18 girls and 16 boys. The class teacher wants to choose one pupil for class monitor. Okay, so what she does, she writes the name of each pupil on a card and puts them into a basket and mix thoroughly. Okay, a child is asked to pick one card from the basket. So what is the probability that the name written on the card is the name of girl or the name of boys? So total number of students, total number of students is equal to 18 girls plus 16 boys. So 18 plus 16, 8 plus 6, 14, 2, 1, 3, 34. 34 students. What is the probability of drawing the name of girl student? So favorable outcomes for the name of a girl. How many girls? 18. So possible outcomes, favorable outcomes 18. Therefore probability of getting the name of a girl is equal to total number of students 34, number of girls 18. Cancel them. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. 9 upon 17. 9 upon 17 is the probability of getting the name of girl. 9 upon 17. The name of a boy. So favorable outcomes, favorable outcomes for the name of a boy. Name of a boy. How many boys? 16. So therefore, probability of getting the name of a boy is equal to total number of students 34, number of boys students 16. Cancel by 2. 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2 7 ja 8 upon 17. 8 upon 17. So this is the probability of getting the name of a boy, 8 upon 70. Question number 23. Why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should choose ends in a game of cricket? So why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should choose ends in a game of cricket? Ends means what they want to take the bat or ball, this thing. So why a fair coin is tossing the fair way of deciding which team choose the bat or ball. So tossing a coin, direct I am writing the answer here. Tossing a coin is considered a fair way of deciding which team should choose ends in a game of cricket because coming up head coming up head and coming up tail are equally likely events. Equally likely events. That's it. So this is the fair way because they are equally likely. Outcomes are equally likely events. Means chances of coming head and chances of coming tail are equal on tossing a fair coin. That is why this is the fair way. Question number 24. What is the probability that a number selected at random from the numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4 will be their average? What is the probability that a number selected at random from the numbers will be their average? So first calculate the average of these numbers. Total numbers are given. Then calculate the average of this number. Then what is the probability of getting that average number? So total possible outcomes, total number of possible outcomes is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. that is 10 numbers, 10 possible outcomes. So question is saying what is the probability that the number selected at random will be their average. So first calculate their average. Average, since average is equal to sum of numbers, sum of all the numbers upon total numbers. So add them 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And total numbers are 10. So sum up the numerator divided by 10. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 19 plus 3, 22, 22 plus 3, 25, 27, 27 plus 2, 29 or 130. 0, 0 cancelled. So average of number is 3. Now we have to find out the probability of this 3. So favorable outcomes, favorable outcomes for average 3 is equal to, how many in the favor of 3? How many 3's here? 1, 2, 3 only. 3 comma 3 comma 3, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 का एवरेज 3 है. So therefore probability of getting average 3 is equal to possible outcome 10 and favorable outcome 3. 3 upon 10 is the probability of getting average. Question number 25. There are 30 cards of same size in a bag on which numbers 1 to 30 are written. One card is taken out of the bag at random. Find the probability that the number on the selected card is not divisible by 3. Is not divisible by 3. So total number of cards are 30 here, numbered from 1 to 30. One card is drawn, one card is taken out from the bag randomly. Find the probability that the number on the selected card is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. This probability we have to calculate. So for this, first we will calculate the probability of drawing a card divisible by 3. Then probability of divisible by 3 plus probability of not divisible by 3 is equal to 1. We can apply this. So total number of cards, total number of cards is equal to 30. Favorable outcomes, favorable outcomes for card is divisible by 3. So how many cards which are divisible by 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 cards which are divisible by 3. So therefore probability of divisible by 3, divisible by 3 is equal to total number of cards 30, favorable outcome 10, 0, 0 cancelled, so 1 upon 3. Probability of divisible by 3 is 1 upon 3. So since probability of divisible by 3 plus probability of not divisible by 3, not divisible by 3 is equal to 1, which implies probability of divisible by 3 1 upon 3 plus probability of not divisible by 3, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 3 is equal to 1. Shift 1 upon 3 in right side. So probability of not divisible by 3 is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3. LCM 3, 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is the probability that the card drawn is not divisible by 3. Question number 26. A bag contains 5 red, 8 white and 7 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that the drawn ball is red or white. Second, not black, neither white nor black. So first write the total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. Total number of balls is equal to 5 red plus 8 white plus 7 black. That is 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 7, 20 balls. That bag, 20 balls are there. So this ball is red or white. So favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes for red or white ball. How many red or white balls? Red balls 5 and white balls 8. 8 plus 5, 13 balls in the favor of red or white. So probability that red or white is equal to total number of balls 20 and favorable outcome 30, 13 upon 20. This is the probability of drawing red or white ball. Second part, not black ball. So first calculate the probability of black ball. Favorable outcomes for black ball. How many black balls in the bag? 7 black balls. So therefore probability of black ball is equal to total number of balls 20, black balls 7, 7 upon 20. Now using probability of black ball plus not black ball, since probability of black ball plus probability of not black ball is equal to 1. Probability of black ball we got 7 upon 20 plus probability of not black ball is equal to 1 minus 7 upon 20. Simplify this. LCM 20, 20 minus 7. 20 minus 7, 13 upon 20. This is the probability of not getting black ball. Third part, neither white ball nor black ball. So favorable outcomes for neither white nor black is equal to total number of balls minus white and minus black. How many white? How many white? 8 white and 7 black. So minus 8 minus 7. So 20 minus 8 minus 8 minus 7 minus 15, so 5. So there are 5 balls which are neither white nor black. Now we can calculate the probability directly. Therefore, probability of neither white nor black, neither white or nor black is equal to total number of balls 20 and number of balls neither white nor black 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So probability is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is the probability that the ball drawing neither white nor black. 1 upon 4. Question number 27. Find the probability that a number selected from the number 1 to 25 is not a prime number when each of the given number is equally likely to be selected. Each of the given number is equally likely to be selected. They are equally likely events. So we have to find out selecting not a prime number. So first we will calculate the probability of prime number selecting prime number. Then we can apply probability of selecting prime number plus probability of not selecting prime number. So total number of possible outcomes, total number of possible outcomes is equal to 25. Favorable outcomes for prime number. Prime number is equal to, so numbers are 1 to 25, so first prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 9, 19, 23, 23 is the last. These are the prime numbers which are divisible by only one and number itself. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, probability of prime number is equal to total possible outcome 25, favorable outcome 9, 9 upon 25. So since probability of prime number plus probability of not prime number, not prime number, not prime number is equal to 1. Probability of prime number 9 upon 25 plus probability of not prime number is equal to 1. Shift this 9 upon 25 in right side. So probability of not prime number is equal to 1 minus 9 upon 25. Take LCM, 25 LCM, so 25 minus 9, 25 minus 9, 15 minus 9, 6, 16. 16 upon 25 is the required probability of not getting a prime number. Question number 28. A bag contains 8 red, 6 white and 4 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that the drawn ball is red or white, not black, neither white nor black. So total number of balls, total number of balls is equal to 8 red plus 6 white plus 4 black. That is 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 4 18 balls. 18 balls. So one by one. So favorable outcomes for red or white balls. Favorable outcomes for red or white ball is equal to how many red? 8 and white 6. 8 plus 6 14. Therefore probability of red or white is equal to total number of balls 18, red or white balls 14. Cancel by 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 9 ja 18. So 7 upon 9. This is the probability of drawing red or white ball. Not black ball. So first calculate the probability of black ball, then use probability of black ball plus probability of not black is equal to 1. So favorable outcomes for black ball. How many black balls in the bag? 4 black balls. 4. Therefore probability of black ball is equal to total number of balls 18, black balls 4, cancel by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, so that is 2 upon 9. Now use probability of black ball plus not black ball is equal to 1, since probability of black ball plus probability of not black ball is equal to 1. Probability of black ball we got 2 upon 9, 2 upon 9 plus probability of not black ball is equal to 1. Shift this 2 upon 9 and right side probability of not black ball is equal to 1 minus 2 upon 9. Take LCM, 9 LCM, 9 minus 2, that is 7 upon 9. So probability of not drawing black ball is 7 upon 9. Neither white nor black. So favorable outcomes for favorable outcomes for neither white nor black is equal to total number of balls 18, 18 total number of balls 18 minus white ball and minus black ball. How many white balls? 6 white ball and 4 black ball. So minus 6 white ball minus 4 black ball. So 18 minus 10, that is 10. In that bag 10 balls are there which are neither white nor black. So we can calculate the probability directly. Therefore probability of neither white nor black ball is equal to total number of balls 18 or favorable outcome 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, that is 5 upon 9 is the required probability of neither white ball nor black ball. Question number 29. Question number 29. Find the probability that a number selected at random from the numbers 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, 35 is a prime number, a multiple of 7, a multiple of 3 or 5. So, total possible numbers, total possible numbers or outcomes is equal to 1 to 35. 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, 35, that is 35 numbers. Prime numbers. We have to find out the probability of selecting the number is prime number. So favorable outcomes for prime number. Write prime numbers here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. So favorable number of outcomes for prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and 31. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 possible outcomes. Therefore, probability of selecting prime number. Directly prime numbers you can write. Prime number is equal to total numbers 35. Favorable outcome 11. 11 upon 35. Second part, multiple of 7. So favorable outcomes for multiple of 7. So first multiple of 7 is 7. 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28 and 7 5 ja 35. These are the multiples of 7, that is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiples. Therefore, probability of selecting multiple of 7 is equal to total possible outcome 35, favorable outcome 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, so 1 upon 7. This is the required probability of selecting a multiple of 7. Third part, multiple of 3 or 5. So favorable outcomes for multiple of 3 or 5. Write the multiples of 3 or 5. 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 4 ja 20, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30 and 33 is also divisible by 3, so it is multiple of 3. Now write the multiples of 5. So 5 2s are 10, 15. 15 is already written here, so no need to repeat it. 20, 25, 30. So 30 is written already, no need to repeat it. 30, then 35. carefully. That is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 possible outcomes. Therefore, probability of selecting multiple of 3 or 5 is equal to total number of possible outcomes 35, favorable outcome 16. So this is the probability of selecting a multiple of 3 or 5. Question number 30. From a pack of 52 playing cards, jacks, queens, kings and aces of red color are removed. They are removed. From the remaining, a card is drawn at random. Find the probability that the card drawn is black queen, red card, black jack, a picture card or jack, queens and king are picture card. Picture card means face cards. So from a pack of 52 playing cards, jacks, there are jacks, queens, kings and aces of red color. So these all cards jack, queen, king, s are 4 cards out of 4. 2 are black and 2 are red. So red cards are removed. Means 2 jacks, 2 queens, 2 kings and 2 s's are removed. So total number of cards from the remaining cards, a card is drawn at random. So we have to find out this probability. So from a pack of 52 playing cards, jacks, queens, kings and aces of red color are removed. Then total number of remaining cards, total number of remaining cards is equal to 52 total, remove 2 red jacks, 2 red queens, 2 red kings and 2 red aces. 8 cards we have to remove. So 52 minus 8, 52 minus 8, 54, sorry 44, 44, 44 plus 8, 52. So total number of remaining cards are 44. So from the remaining cards, a card is drawn. So what is the probability of this? A black queen. So in this 44 cards, how many black queens? 2 red queens are removed already. So only 2 black queens will be there. So favorable outcomes for a black queen. Black queen. So in this 44 cards, only 2 black queens. So therefore, probability of getting a black queen. Total number of remaining cards 44 or favorable outcomes for black queens 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. 1 upon 22. 1 upon 22 is the probability of drawing or getting a black queen from the remaining cards. A red card. Second part, a red card. So total red cards are 26. 8 red cards are already removed. 8 red cards are already removed. So 26 minus 8, favorable outcomes for a red card is equal to total red card 26. 26 minus 8 red cards are already removed. So there 16 minus 8, 8 and 18. 18 red cards are available after removing this 8 red cards. So direct probability of getting a red card is equal to total number of outcomes 44 and 18 favorable outcomes. Cancel them by 2. 2 nines are 18, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. So probability is 9 upon 22. 9 upon 22 is the required probability of drawing a red card. Third part, a black jack. So favorable outcomes for a black jack. So there are 4 jacks. So out of 4, 2 are black and 2 are red. So red jack cards are already removed. So remaining 2 black cards are there. 2 black cards, black jacks. Therefore probability of getting a black jack is equal to total number of cards 44 and favorable cases 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. That is 1 upon 22. 1 upon 22 is the probability of getting a black jack. A picture card, fourth part, a picture card Part 4. A picture card, jacks, queens and kings are picture cards. Picture card means face cards. So favorable outcomes for a picture card. Picture card. So total picture cards are 12, face cards are 12, but already 6 face cards are removed. Which 6 face cards? 2 red color jacks, 2 red queens and 2 red kings. The 6 face cards are 6 red cards are already removed. So total face card are 12, 6 red cards are removed, so remaining 12 minus 6, that is 6. 6 favorable outcomes for a picture cards are available there. Therefore probability of getting a picture card is equal to total number of cards 44 and picture card 6. Cancel by 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. That is 3 upon 22. 3 upon 22 is the required probability